Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and welcome to 7th grade social studies. And the very first question we're going to have you answer is, where did the first Americans come from? And by Americans, I'm not talking about people from the United States. Actually, the term Americans refers to anybody from North or South America. So we're going to answer, where did the first Americans come from? And then you're going to also answer, what is one unique cultural trait of a Pacific Northwest Native group? And we don't have time to get into all the Native American groups in the North America, so we're just going to focus on the region, the Pacific Northwest. And by cultural traits, examples of culture would be how people dressed, or what religion they practice, or it could be the food they ate, or the clothes they wore, or the language they spoke. And so you're going to go to a website and they're focusing on the Pacific Northwest. And it's just a very few Native American groups of the Pacific Northwest. And there's a question about a cultural trait. And then, what were the three major ancient civilizations from modern day Mexico, Central, and South America? And you're going to learn about those. And then you're going to evaluate the most unique cultural traits of those three major ancient civilizations. And again, get back to the idea of culture being how they dressed, or language, or what they ate, or technology, or religion. And then, if you want to learn more, we always include some other links. If you have time or just curious, we have a small, short video about how Native Americans use the land. And then there's this other link where you can learn about Kennewick Man. And Kennewick Man is this ancient body that they found in Kennewick, Washington, that is shaking the archaeological world. And you can learn a little bit about Kennewick Man. So what you're going to do is you're going to go from this page to the quiz, and within the quiz there's some videos you're going to watch, and then below it we have, or above it we have, some questions you're going to answer as it relates to the video or the graphs. And then you're going to go through these questions. The videos aren't very long, and then there's most of them are multiple choice, and then there's a short answer question with a sentence frame for you if you want to use it. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teacher, or visit us during our office hours. Thanks, and have a great day.